Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by signing into the YouTube account you actually use. This ensures settings apply to the right profile. Once done, go to your avatar settings privacy and find Ad Personalization Controls. Turn off personalized ads here, which stops YouTube from tailoring ads using your watch history and search data. This reduces targeted ads immediately, though you may still see generic ads. Make sure to save changes and understand this affects recommendations across YouTube and Google services. Next, install a well-reviewed ad blocker extension in your browser. This blocks most pre-roll and banner ads. Once installed, enable stricter filters, but test YouTube playback to ensure the blocker isn't preventing essential scripts. If videos fail to load, temporarily toggle the extension off for YouTube or whitelist the site. Whitelisting keeps functionality while still blocking many ad sources on other sites. Remember, ad blockers work on desktop browsers. Mobile apps require different approaches, or apps with built-in blocking. To finish, consider subscribing to YouTube Premium if you want a guaranteed ad-free experience and extra features like downloads. If you prefer free methods, update the YouTube app and clear cache on mobile. This can resolve ad-serving glitches. If ads persist on desktop after blockers, sign out, disable extensions one by one to find conflicts, and restart the browser. As a deeper step, change your router DNS to a privacy-focused resolver to reduce some ad tracking. If problems continue, check extension.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.